I am back with the EOS R and I have some good news that I want to share with you. Thank you, Internet. You have solved my EOS R shutter lag issue. I just want to say a big thank you to John PRESCOD and EVERTON Wood. You guys were the first to recommend me turning off the silent shutter mode on the camera, which makes the camera act like this, as opposed to this. Oh, I love that sound. So good. That makes me so happy. That makes me so happy. Thanks guys for helping me solve this issue with the EOS R. So I'm gonna walk you through to show you how to turn that off if that's an issue for you. So go into menu, go into camera, go into number 6, and silent LV shoot mode 1, and turn disable. The other thing that people were recommending was to go to image review and turn it off. I personally don't use it, so I leave it off. So that was the biggest issue. I'm so grateful for you guys helping me out with it. Thank you for pointing me in the right direction. You guys are awesome. It's definitely working as I would expect the camera to work, so it's been fantastic. It wasn't the lens, it wasn't the adapter, it was a camera setting. So that's it. I just wanted to do a little recap stating that this camera is working like a normal camera again. It's been fantastic. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying the experience again. I'm really happy. Canon, thank you. I'm looking forward to where you guys go with this whole system. Again, guys, thank you so much. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff. Subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.